Gayo murai wense William Ruto korata Oboagachi obogendrete wense moya Kansa imemo chobo songo obwachage tuko mwaka bwechiri bubere 24 na koratera asegeka bono wikira boniga igori tukoria rero OMOOBISA OMONENE ase wizara obwerani na boiga mang'ana yekerero Mheshimiwa Stephen ISABOKE OMOOBISA OMONENE ase igetabo kyobochenu Michael Olunga na boiga omokonyi bomugabana bwa county ya KISII leja obebo batarire nseme yo korata inchira magacha yo agendrete
nigo boigo balira yogocha kwenekia na ere bwango elio gokonya kurwa obobwenia obwo bwabeire bokweneki gwa sorgongo rwa busi na boigo gochanda abange oborere bwa Kansa murikito Petro Machini na ikira na sinsemecho na boigo gotwariganeria yakobwata
magega yo murai bwenso Moscow William Ruto kurugo kurira gotindi gochasoma nyakona Bw'Egetaseni Bw'Egetaseni gya Kansa imemo chobo songo yorekanize kuirangora kesa magacha yo chakiwo mwaka w'echiro 2024 Ritukuria rero nigo OMOOBISA OMONENE ase wizara y'obwerani na boiga mang'ana yekerero Stephen ISABOKE OMOOBISA OMONENE ase igetabo kyobochenu Michael Olunga amono omokonyi bomugabana bwa county ya KISII Obebo egati y'abaribande barato Oboagachi obwo
ere twachagaiga ese KISII Kansa Center of Excellence kotara korora emegendere yegendete ngandi nkayekire egasi yegendete yogochenga yokwagacha Kansa Center muna momanyete center ya chagita ngimya kibere ya erire ekaroswa lakini karatene nake esabuguria ya mang'ana ndabete contract ni chikasichinde lakini ekere monene bwenso yo muya President William Ruto ire gasiye okoba amang'ana ya afya arenge genteke mo kiaba begete sichipila chirisano chapeta tukoroka peta plan agatebe genteke gekoru gekonya abantu baito tari gusiyoka lakini western
kuringana na ISABOKE nigo aereiro bya Bw'Egetaseni kyo ekerokera ire nigo kera konyo kurwanya oboriro obwo kobwachikana niganga yo murai bwense gokinyo bokorire bwo bochenu.
Kansa is now becoming a pandemic with the high numbers affected across the villages and across the country, and it's actually a big blessing for KISII County and this region of Western Kenya that we actually have a big center here. So for me is to witness the progress, and as you know, when the president was actually in KISII a few weeks ago, after launching YOTA, dispersing money and all that, one of the things he committed on the roadside after the groundbreaking ceremony was actually the Kansa Center. He did commit that he's actually identified a contractor, and I'm sure Panakiu, and I know him, that a proper contractor has been identified. There was one who was doing a lot of kitandawili before, that now this work has to be done and has to be finished, and that's why we are happy to see the contractor on the ground because of the commitment to deliver healthcare to our people.
Asensemo yayo Luga nigo gikiri abantu bali batari kubwatia marago yo mwaziri bobocheno ide ndwale kuira abantu chinsi chisi kokonyoro bwenya boboriro bo asisha etaba konye.
The Cabinet Secretary for Health, Honorable Aden Duale, gazetted the conditions and the procedures that cannot be done here in Kenya. Now, many people, and here we have to be extremely firm. There are many agents who come to the villages, and because cancer is a very painful thing, they cause misinformation. They take some of these patients, they go with them to India and many places. They have not followed the procedure. Once you have not followed the procedure, it is almost impossible for the Social Health Authority to pay for you. We have worked with our Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and between myself and PSNOA, we have established a procedure through our embassies, Kenyan embassies abroad, so that we can track every single Kenyan who is seeking care abroad.
Boigo kurengano yo mubabo botanya bubagusiro Oboagachi obokura sense yabongeresa kubwatirana nense ya Kenya Graham Road negatugiriye kubwatirana uko eri gukora mochando Kansa imense ya Kenya.
One of the very early missions that we had was how do we help to address the problems of cancer care in Kenya? How do you deliver cancer care and research close to local people where it's most needed? So this is about my third or fourth time in KISII County, and it's really exciting to see this whole of government approach to deliver fundamental cancer care delivery for the people of KISII so that they don't need to travel to other centres. And really, on behalf of the British government working in partnership with the Kenyan government, very much one of our first projects was based here in KISII County. In fact, much of the origination of the idea of the partnership came from KISII County. So KISII is very much at the centre of our envisioning for cancer care across the whole of the country.
Asebono mokonyi bw'omugavana bwe county ya KISII Musikalizo Bebo aborio kwanguya Oboagachi Bw'Egetaseni ekyo erigokora mu kyando Kansa.
We know, as you have said, the cancer burden in terms of impact and cost is high, and the faster therefore this project is accomplished, the better. We believe once it's done, then the cost reduction in terms of disease will really come down and cost of treating the disease. We believe as a county government, we believe that you will get the job done and done in good time.
Reporteria Nsoko TV kurasi Bw'Egetaseni kigagia Kansa imemo Chobosongwe county ya KISII Chepethuel Machin.